Karyans, have you ever noticed this? Even after rest, coffee, and weekends, you still feel drained. What if the problem is not how much you're working, but how you are recharging? Most of us try to manage burnouts with quick fixes more sleep, more caffeine, and more scrolling breaks. But in Vedic wisdom, burnout is not just physical, it's a prana leakage. Energy going out faster than it's restored, and no apps can fix that. Namaste, Karyans. I'm Vanitha Ganeshmurthy Dgvg, your Vedic Productivity Coach and the founder of Karyasiddhi Productivity Hub. You're listening to Vedic Productivity Talks, where we raise and grow 1% every day the Vedic way. The Vedas never taught us to push harder, they taught us to recharge rhythmically. Simple ancient rituals restore prana naturally. Point number one, Surya Namaskara. Not exercise, but solar energy alignment. Point number two, mindful eating. Food as fuel, not distraction. Point number three, morning light exposure, syncing with nature's clock. Point number four, intentional pauses, stopping before depletion begins. These are not rituals to religion, these are the systems for sustainable energy. A Karyan does not wait to burn out, they recharge before exhaustion arrives. So, what are the actions for today? Pick one ritual today, just one, practice it consciously just for 5 minutes.